Hi everyone, welcome back to another week at NVN Motorworks. Gonna catch you up on what we've been getting on with this week. So what should we start with? Let's have a look around. Let's go to this one, the G500 convertible. I love this car. This car has also been, I think, around the world with its owner. Remember we mentioned, I don't know if we've ever mentioned it, the 4.0 that has all of the stickers under the bonnet that mention where the car's been around the world. Same owner, wonderful car, and it's here for, I think we're going to do a little bit of PPF on the headlights, and also we're going to change the clear plex on the front screen. The clear plex have been on for a few years. I tell a lie, I don't actually think it was clear plex, it was something else. I'm just used to saying it, I mean windshield protection. But we're going to actually apply it because when you have a G-Class, see the screen is completely flat and completely upright. So that means that the impact from any stones is a lot harder on the screen of this car than it would be on a lot of other cars. But having said that, we're actually getting more popular for having the windshield protection on front of any SUV, not only the sports cars, because people see the real benefit of having it. Not only that, the warranty of Clearplex, which is the material we're using in Dubai, UAE, is 1 year. I think in general is 1 year. Don't know what I'm waffling today. However, I was going to say, because we're in the UAE or in a hot climate, it actually means that it won't just, shrivel up and stop working after 1 year. Usually it actually lasts quite a bit longer, especially if clients aren't using their cars for everyday use. When it comes to windshield protection, probably after a year, if you stick like a sticker on it across the top, like if you go on a parade or something with some of the sports cars here, or if you start using your wipers because it rains, that's when you're going to start to get marks. But like I say, because we're in a hot climate, it probably will last a little bit longer, and I'm really waffling off for no reason about the windshield protection, so nice advertisement for the Clearplex there. Next, let's move on to this Defender. So what are we doing here, do you ask? We're actually making a template, because where you have the Land Rovers or the Range Rovers, Defenders, they always have these big letters. And although there is a template for the lettering for the PPF, we actually find that because you have all of these gaps, you get maybe quite a lot of dust build up over time. So to try and reduce that a little bit, we actually remove the letters. We usually don't remove any parts or badges, but on a Land Rover, we actually do suggest this to the client. So we're making the template here so we can put them back in the proper place. So when it's finished, you'll have nice PPF under the bottom and then the letters on top, and it will look lovely nice and just reduce the dust a little bit. Ooh, over to this Cullinan. I haven't mentioned it yet, I don't think, but I will show you some clips of the absolutely, let's just say this car is a huge victim to a terrible wrap. Honestly, I was laughing, to be honest, when I saw this wrap in the first place, because I can't believe the standard can be so disgusting. Inside the doors, even on the edges, the wrap was peeling off everywhere. I found some paperwork in the car, and the wrap was actually only done like, I think a month or 6 weeks ago. But I'm telling you, I'll show you some footage. There was marker pen where it had been done inside and just left. I mean, our guys do not need marker pen to make a good job of this. It was like you've given a complete beginner, like me, if you gave me a car to wrap, I might need to try and make the stencils, but even then I would use a ruler. It was like this. So anyway, we're going to be wrapping this car again. This time the car was like a shiny grey before, and also like a cheap wrap material that didn't look very nice, like it was obvious it was a wrap. So the car's going to be going a matte black this time. I think we're going to do something maybe a little bit different with the bonnet. We're going to put the coach lines on as well, because otherwise if you wrap over these, you'll see the coach lines. So of course you need to put new coach lines on top so it doesn't look funny. So I'll keep you posted on this one. Maybe next week we'll show you. Come here, come here. I want to let you into a little secret. This car is wrapped. Can you believe? I think it looks absolutely unbelievable. This is the same as I mentioned to you in a few episodes back. We've actually put a PPF on top of this one too, but in this color, which is almost like a crayon gray, like Porsche style. I think it looks absolutely insane, like So many of our clients have come in this past week, 10 days, and they cannot believe that this car is actually black and this isn't actually paint. If I show you inside as well, again, to show you the power of a good wrap. Where's the black? Nowhere. That's the answer. So now all that's left to do is take the vehicle for its colour change request at the RTA. And the vehicle's also received a very nice tint, as you can see, which I think completes the look. I think this car looks absolutely insane. Did I say that already? See ya! So then we have this beautiful GT2 RS in for paint protection film. We have this Cayenne in for window tint because it is getting absolutely scorching outside now. And I think all that's left to do is come through this way and we can see what we've got in our detailing area right now. So did you know we actually do vinyls as well if clients request us to. So we have this car now, this family who are getting these done, are getting several cars done for their company. And so we're actually applying these now. I think it's going to change the car's look, make it look quite elegant, but still good for advertising when the car's finished. So now we have a very similar coloured G63. This one is actually paint though. So you can see the two side by side. Oh, they look, both of them could be paint. It's amazing. And you'll never have a grey day, even when you have these cars. Brand new Patrol in for ceramic coating is almost finished. So even though the car was brand new, even when it comes in, it's still going to have some light scratches, swirl marks. So before we apply the ceramic coating, we have to prepare the surface, make it perfect so it's absolutely shiny, especially when the ceramic coating's been applied. This car's come in for PPF, wonderful BMW again. I think BMW must be delivering a lot of cars at the moment, but it looks absolutely wonderful. I can't wait to see us with PPF on. Welcome to the corner of Teslas. So this one's in for some detailing. I'm not sure, as it's my colleague dealing with this car, what exactly this car is having. And then we have this other beautiful Tesla Model 3 just dropped off. It was in for window tint now, so it will look amazing this time tomorrow. It will have a whole new look with the window tint. And don't forget all of the benefits of our tint as well. So it will have a beautiful new look cosmetically, but it will also have a lot of benefits in terms of the heat rejection, things like this. This car visits us a lot, every so often for washing, things like this, but I am absolutely in love with the look of this Rolls Royce. Look at this colour. I'm not sure of the colour name, but I can tell you that I absolutely love it. So this GT4 is still here from last week, but I think we're going to continue talking about this. We're still going to work on this. This is a slow moving project, but it will be absolutely amazing by the time we finish. Oh, and let me show you over here this BMW. So the owner of this BMW, he's had this car since it was new. So I think he said it's 9 or 10 years old. But I want to show you the remarkable finish of our leather restoration. I'll show you a photo of how it looked before. There was actually some cigarette burns or something on the seat, but if you come and have a look inside, it's a little bit tight, but let's have a look anyway. Where's the leather repair? So this is absolutely wonderful, Walters and Austin. So actually there was 3 cigarette burns on here. And the thing is, once the seat leather is actually damaged, not just scratched, you can't put a perfect finish on the end. So you'll still be able to see if you're really looking, because the surface will be smoother in areas. But I think you can agree, it looks absolutely amazing. So one more thing I don't think I've mentioned before is I love to have all of our client feedback in our guest book. It's really nice to have people write such nice things about us, and it's just nice to have this on display. So we have Arabic, English, Spanish, any words welcome as long as you're nice. So that's it for today. I'm going to enjoy my coffee. Please do let us know if you have any feedback. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Love to hear from you. Speak to you soon. See you next time. Bye.